Welcome. In this video I will show you how you can apply screen protector on your LG G8s ThinQ. So what we have to do at the first, we have to prepare our glass, and unfortunately this glass is not dedicated to this smartphone model, but it's all about the technique of the putting this screen protector. And the second thing, we have to use the good source of the light in the place when you are going to apply this screen protector to see a very dust and mess on the screen, because we have to clean it. And basically we can just start, right? So here I have the glass, we can open it, and in the box we can find tempered glass and also wipes, wet and the dry. And I'm looking for the stickers. I don't have here stickers, so sometimes in the box you can find the positioning and the dust stickers, and if you don't have it, I can recommend you to take the duct tape. It will help you to take off the pieces of the dust from the screen if you clean with the wipes, and it will be still here. But at the first, let's start by opening the wet wipe and then just clean the screen. Okay, and right now let's switch to the dry wipe. Okay, so I think it's finished, and as you can see, in this few places we got still the piece of the dust on the screen, right? So after before the apply, we have to take it off, because if we leave this dust on the screen, we will get the bubbles, air bubbles under the screen protector. So the easiest method to take it off is to use this duct tape, but we can also make it with wipes, but it will take just some time. Okay, I think that right now it looks really cool, and I cannot find here any dust. So let's grab our screen protector, take off this foil, and right now we can simply start applying the screen protector. Oh, here I have another dust, so just take a look at the screen. Sorry, I've just put my head onto the camera. Okay, and right now I can recommend you to start from the upper section of the screen. So put the screen protector like that. Keep holding the bottom part and make it lower, but still keep holding. And right now we can put our finger like that and start pressing. Let's turn off the screen, and as you can see, we can put the bottom part, and it will go also almost automatically. We can press with our finger. Okay, and as you can see, it's very simple, and the most important thing is just to clean the screen properly and take dust and other mess from the screen, because when we leave it, we will have the bubbles on it. I mean on it, or under the screen protector. So as you can see right now, our protector is applied, and we can simply try to use the device, and as you can see, it works. There's no problems with the touch interactions, so we can just easily use our smartphone, and we don't have to be afraid of any scratches or the breaks, because we got here this glass. And thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!